Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to install a bottom vent on your garage door. What you're looking at right now is the inside of my garage door, and I'm going to show you here in a second the tools that you're going to need for this project. So as I scan over here to my little work table, these are the vents that you're going to use. This is an 8x16 aluminum louvered vent with mesh on the other side. It's like a fiberglass mesh, and what that'll do is just keep the bugs and anything from crawling up in there. Alright, so I got 3 of them, and the reason for that, as I pan back here, I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to be installing one on that panel there, on the bottom door panel, but that little section right there, one right in the middle right here, and one on the far left panel over there as well. And to show you what I already did here, I went ahead and traced the outside dimensions of the vent, and also I came in a 1/2 inch all the way around. That's the inside square that you see. And I also marked the hole locations. There's one right there, and then there's one right here on the bottom, and there's 6 of them. 2 on the outside, 2 in the middle, and then 2 on the other side. So let me get back to where the tools you're going to need. Alright, so coming back over here, like I said, you need 3 of these vents. You're going to need some rivets. I happen to have a set of aluminum and steel, and what you're going to use is a 1/8 by 1/4 inch. If you don't have a 1/4 inch, you can use a 1/2 inch, but you'll need to add something behind it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this tiny little nut, which the inside diameter is 1/8 inch, which is the same as the outside diameter of the rivet. You're going to need a grinder with a cutoff wheel, preferably the skinniest one possible, and a drill with a 1/8 inch bit for the holes for the rivet, a drill set, a riveter like this one that comes with multiple interchangeable heads so that you can go ahead and install the rivets. So the steps are going to be this. Let me swing back over here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Well, first I'm going to pre-drill the holes, the 6 holes, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut out that section on the inside with the grinder. And then I'll show you the next step after that. Alright, so I went ahead and pre-drilled the holes for the rivets and also cut out the inside square. And this is the inside look, and I'll show you what it looks like from the outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the outside, and as you can see that these panels are raised in the middle, but that's okay because once you put the rivets in there, the vent is going to stay right up against it. So I'm going to see which way it looks better, if I should put the vent on the inside or put it on the outside with the louvers pointing down, because that's the point, because when it rains you want the water to run down over the louvers. So I think I'm just still going to mount it on the outside. Also, I forgot to mention, one other safety item you needed was a pair of safety glasses for when you're using the grinder to cut this panel off. And a little visit from a little wasp, but he went away. Also, I took a file and cleaned up these edges from the little burrs that you see there. So next step, I'm going to go ahead and do a dry fit, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so I went ahead and put 2 rivets in the center, and I'm going to go ahead and put the other 4 on the end. So basically you just take the rivet, load it into the riveter like that, let it go all the way in, and then take your rivet, push it through the hole, and make sure it goes all the way in, and then squeeze on the riveter like that, and then until you hear it snap. And then the other blank comes out. Alright, so That's all there is to it. Get it in the hole, push it in, squeeze, push it in again until it snaps off, and drop the blank. Oh, by the way, I also decided to go with the vent actually sitting from the outside. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and caulk the top part here, just to make sure that I don't get any water intrusion. And if I need to, I can also caulk the sides. So basically caulk the sides and the top. I'm going to paint this the same color as the garage door so it blends in, so this doesn't kind of like draw attention. But there you go. How to install a bottom vent to your garage door, because here in Florida, inside the garage can get up to like 100, 110 degrees easily during the day, and today it's hot as balls out here. So installing the left and the right side is exactly the same way. Alright, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, take care.